So, you've got a flat tire. Don't worry, with the Supper Club Instructional series, How to Fix a Flat, you'll have that tire changed and be back on the road in no time flat. First things first, make sure the car is on a level surface. Good, because if it wasn't, it would be rolling away from you, and that is bad. Now, go into the trunk of the car and grab the proper tools. You're doing great. Now take your tire iron and loosen the lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are loosened, place your jack under the frame of the automobile. Now, jack up the car! Once the car has been jacked up, finish removing the lug nuts and then remove the flattened tire.
Great job!
Now, place the spare tire on the bolts. By now, a horrible monster will have appeared. They love the smell of fresh rubber. Not to worry, we can deal with the monster in 3 easy steps. Step 1, don't panic. Step 2, load your shotgun. If for some reason you left the house without a shotgun, use the tire iron to bludgeon the monster. Remember to aim for the eyes and groin. And finally, step 3. Place the spare on the bolts and fasten with the lug nuts. Now, lower the car back down. And don't forget to return the jack and tire iron to the trunk. By now, you will have noticed that the monster has stolen your automobile. To find out what to do next, purchase our album, Stranded on the Side of the Road. Please allow 2 to 6 weeks for delivery.